So it looks like I paid a lot less for the car than I initially thought. What you see here is probably less than $1 and about less than half a pound, and it's probably about 2/3 of a euro.
When you feel the world is over.
So it looks like I bought a total upgrade. Not only is this a car, it's also a boat which has a pool in the back seat. This is gonna be fun.
Stop chasing all the city lights. Breathe me in, go on and take your bite. Count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight. Find me tonight. When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights. Breathe me in, go on and take your bite. Count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight.
Welcome to the pond, which is my Audi. Okay, so finally, after much struggle, we got the carpets out. There it is. It looks horrible, smells horrible, but I'm gonna try and clean it up and see if I can salvage it. If I can't salvage it, then I'm gonna need to make a plan and get another carpet, which is gonna be difficult. I had to cut the top piece because of the cable running between the shifter and the ignition pedal. So tried to take it off, but it couldn't come out. So yeah, wow, what a struggle. So I just vacuumed out majority of the water that was in the car. It's one or two places that still have water in it, so I'm just gonna scrub it down, get all the sediment out, and then wherever there's rust, I'm just gonna apply some rust inhibitor and a little bit of Q20, which is like WD-40 basically. It's water repellent. So let's get to it. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up and putting de-ruster on all the rust spots, just leaving it to chill for a little while so that it can work out. In the meantime, I'm gonna go and do that side over there, and once I'm done, then we're gonna tackle the reason why the water got into the car.
So lost, scared to find reasons to
And this is what the interior looks like at the moment. Floorboards are looking nice and clean, except for there. I was busy cleaning up the engine bay yesterday, trying to get all the dead leaves and twigs out so that I could install the ECU and the wiring loom for the 2.7 motor. And that's done now. So I found this little guy in here. I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm going to do a little bit of research. It looks like some sort of hands-free or something like that, because there's this cable over here and there's another little cable over here, this one here, that's running all the way to the back over there and tapping into some other cables. So I'm just going to check what that is, and if I'm not going to use it, I'm going to pull it out. This is what the windage tray looks like now. Just tried to suck out all the twigs and leaves and all sorts of mess and cover up all the holes so that no rats or mice can live in the car while it's out here. And then I've got my 2.7T ECU in here, and also got my wiring loom running all the way. There's the bundle of mess, so I just need to put that in a plastic and keep it one side so that it doesn't get eaten. So this is the dash that I got to replace the aged one in the B5, and this one is the old one that comes from the car. And as you can see, it started coming apart from the plastic that keeps the shape of the dash. So I've taken off the wood grain from this one. I'm still considering whether I should wrap it in satin black or just keep it as it is. So still deciding on what to do over there. So I've got these vents, and I'm actually I've got two sets now, so I'm gonna cut one set up and use them as mounts for my gauges in that B5 over there, so it looks nice and neat inside the interior.